Hola, Shapferi Uzet Mzansi. Thank you for tuning into Everything SA. Diski News. We all know that we bring you the latest sports updates, and on this one today. But before we jump straight ahead onto those news, please make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn notification bell, leave your thought comment down below the section so you can always push the channel to show Rato. On this one, good CAF news for Kaizer Chiefs fans across the country or global or all over in the world. Kaizer Chiefs fans have one more reason to feel excited ahead of their side's upcoming return to continental football. Kaizer Chiefs begin their CAF Confederations Cup campaign this weekend. The Glamour Boys travel to the 11th November Stadium in Luanda to face Goverskop. In the first preliminary round, Nazaruddin Nabi's side will also be desperate for a strong showing away home. There's some good news for Amakosi fans in South Africa ahead of their weekend's CAF clash. For only the second time this season, fans across the country will get to watch Kaizer Chiefs play on SABC 1 on Saturday. Clash against Goverskop it will be televised live on SABC 2. Sorry for saying SABC 1. The match is scheduled to get underway at 5 p.m. In the meantime, Nabi's side faced Kukuna United in the Betway Premiership this evening. Unfortunately for Kaizer Chiefs fans, tonight's match will only be televised on SuperSport. I think last season we won the Nedbank Cup. That gave us more confidence for the season also, but I think we are also in a good trajectory. The results are there, but also there is still a lot of work that is needed to continue the process, Nabi said to Everything SA Diski News. The winner from tonight's match between Kaizer Chiefs and Skukune will shoot to top of the log standings. As we know, with the Kaizer Chiefs are number 1 and Skukune right next to them. But please let me know what you think about this news down below the comment section. From your boy Mtarin Jumba Hawema.
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is